I am Wesley Heidt. I currently serve as one of your Volusia County judges, and I would love your support and vote on August 23rd primary. Tell you a little bit about myself. I've been with the Attorney General's office, worked for the Attorney General's office for over 25 years here locally. And in the Attorney General's office, I got the opportunity to represent the state of Florida at every level of the court system, both state and federal. I handled a variety of controversial, high-profile cases. I've argued cases up in the Florida Supreme Court. I've argued cases up in the 11th Circuit Court of Appeals, and had over 2,000 published opinions. While at the Attorney General's office, I achieved what's called an AV rating, which is the highest rating you can have from your peers. I also was able to become board certified, which is an achievement that only about 5% of the over 100,000 lawyers in Florida has achieved. Additionally, I eventually became bureau chief of the office, meaning I've supervised and led one of the largest legal offices here in Volusia County. I supervised over 20 attorneys and about 10 staff. So in that role, I had the opportunity to deal with the state attorney's offices throughout Central Florida. The 5th Circuit, which is the Marion County, Ocala area, the 9th Circuit, which is Orange and Osceola, the Orlando area, the 18th Circuit, and most specifically the R.J. Larizza's office here in the 7th Circuit. In that role, I would give feedback to the state attorneys, and we would talk prior to a trial about the best way to achieve a conviction, and then later come up with plans on how to maintain that conviction. Additionally, I, as a lawyer and also taught for about 20 years at Daytona State, I fully understand and made a pledge to the governor when chosen in December of 2020 to follow the law. As a lawyer and now as a judge, the commitment to following the law is something that is expected and is something that the judge should fully understand his role or her role in the system. So recognizing the fact that when an attorney prepares, when an attorney has found a controlling statute or case, and following that law is something that, again, I made a pledge to the governor's office to do and have done so. Lastly, county court is the people's court. And the people's court, it's often where people are being before a judge for the first and only time. And my passion and my love of people and of the law has been a great combination of those two loves, serving as a Volusia County judge. But the expectation that years of experience and leadership roles in the community have reinforced the fact of treating people with respect. When you're a judge, you obviously have people for you, and you're making decisions that affect their lives. And treating people like you expect to be treated, treating people with the respect, listening to those people, and then following the law is exactly what was expected of me and exactly what I've done. In the community, I, over the years, have been very active with groups as varied as president of the Volusia County Bar, a commissioner on the Medical Examiners Commission representing the Attorney General's office, helped create and am president of a nonprofit group called Southeast Volusia Youth Sports, which manages the baseball in the New Smyrna, Edgewater, Oak Hill area, and coached many teams, active in my church and served in leadership roles and many other community activities. But what all that is reinforced is the fact you treat people with respect, you treat people as you expect to be treated, you listen to them in the courtroom, you go through and review the applicable evidence, you follow the law, and you reach a quick, efficient decision. I have done so since being chosen by the governor in December of 2020. This is a commitment that I made to respect people in my courtroom, to follow the law, and to make a quick, efficient decision. That's what I have been doing, serving you as a Volusia County judge, and with your support and vote, that's exactly what I will continue to do. So please vote for Judge Wesley Heidt on August the 23rd, and again, I'm honored to serve you, and thank you for your time.